Welcome to Wabam U. Today we talk about the Wabam Snow Machine. So this would be the full cannon kit that we offer. Comes with the gun and the cannon. Now we can sell this separately if you'd like. If you got a setup you're already happy with at home, we do sell the cannon, 1/4" fitting, clicks right into your wand. With the gun, that's a 3/8 fitting. So yeah, there's a little adapting once in a while. Some hoses like this one you can get from us, it does have the 3/8 on it already. So this is the two options we have. Full stainless steel internals throughout the gun, swivel down here, everything swivels nice. You got all ball bearings. What we have here is our product quantity. Crank it up, lower it. Then here you have your pattern. So right now we're at a full vertical. We can go 90 degrees to get horizontal. There's a D10 every 90, full 360 degrees. And then what we can do is go back a 1/4 turn, and that opens it up for a direct spray and a quick flip, and we're back to a full fan. So we're gonna throw some soap in here. We're gonna show you how that works, and we're gonna do some foaming, and we'll do that in a second. Okay, so today, just for demonstration, we're using Wabam Whiteout. In the cannon, we can do whiteout, spark, nitro, fall off, or degreaser, or even, we've gotten crazy and we put slick in the cannon before for fun. So a lot of options, but today we're gonna do whiteout. Recommended 1 to 2 ounces in the whole cup. So you see the dimples here, top dimple, fill that with water for the top dimple. Then we take our soap. I like the 3 squeeze method, 1, 2, 3. That's plenty. And with some of our other soaps, there's different recommendations, but this one's 1 to 2 ounces. All right, right now I got full vertical fan with their widest berth. We'll throw that up there and show you that. So we're probably getting, depending on how far away we are, there's a good, 4 or 5 feet there. We can obviously closer, tighten that up. You see the foam gets thicker the closer you get. Common sense. All right, so now we can open that up. So very cool, all kinds of different options. And now if you want to go horizontal, full fan. And on the fly, all right, so now you saw it in action, pretty slick. All the different variables you have here on the tip to change it all up, so very nice. And that's about it. Beautiful part about it is this soap can stay in here for weeks, honestly months, and it won't go bad. You spin it right back on and we go foaming. You have options to get multiple cups, because now if we went from our whiteout to, let's say, our nitro, we don't want to monkey around and dump this out. You paid for that, why would you want to waste it? You go grab your other cup already loaded with nitro, click it on, and we go ceramic rinse. So stuff to keep in mind for options on the cannon, but beautiful unit right here.